business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service. It's just another bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our team focus on quality and satisfaction. But don't take their word for it. We are confident that you will love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started.